Bet anywhere with TVG. Del Mar is where she found her form.
On the outside, She's Not Here is running a huge one. She's Not Here on the outside, prize exhibit. She's Not Here to win it.
She's Not Here is ready to try and take down her first Grade 1 in her career. Standing in her way is a Grade 1 winner in her own right.
Here comes Tepin. Tepin close to home. And Tepin and Julian LaParoux have won.
And Mark Cassie's Sky Treasure, who's eager to start a winning streak of her own. The Grade 1 First Lady Stakes, Saturday at Keeneland.